mail call. You may recall last year I had a mail call from Jared B. And he had sent me these ultimate sanding sticks, and I liked them a lot, so I actually, went out to their website and checked it out, and look at that. Hi, Jen. Thanks for your order. That's cool. So I went out and bought some stuff that I think I need, so let's see what we got. All right, so here's the ultimate stuff that I bought, and so I guess the first thing, if you see there, is missing the lettering and the grid line and stuff. That's because I have spilt that a couple of times, so that's why I bought this. Let's see, so that, yeah, fits in there like that. There you go. And the rest I keep over here, and I kind of like how I have things organized, except for this. These keep falling off and hitting the floor. So I saw this. It's made specifically for those three. So I'm gonna put, let's see, I think they go something like, yeah, like that. And then you put this through there, which I will do later. And then this, I've been keeping these in here because the salvo set is pretty big. But basically what this is for is it's for your microsol, and then while these are for the, and then you can put brushes in there. So all these various things fit in here, all these micro scale, I got them in there, but when I'm actually using them, this will help so it doesn't tip over. So I got that. So, and then there's all the new sanders, which I'll go through and pull out the crummy ones out of there, but for now, I'll just throw them in there. And again, thanks, Jared, for turning me on to the ultimate modeling products. So yeah, so that's my first purchase with them. Mail call. And it is a shop card from Rick at Down the Throat Modeling. A second. Rick, really kind words on the back. I totally agree. Rick and I are both like military history buffs, and one of the reasons I really enjoy his channel is he pays extra attention to the details on military builds to get historical accuracy, and I strive for that as well. So and he's a great guy, great channel. If you haven't seen his channel, definitely go check it out, Down the Throat Modeling. Thank you so much, Rick. And this is going to go up on the wall. So there you go. Rick's card's up on the wall, keeping Jared company. So thanks again, Rick, for the card, and anyone who would like one of mine. I keep my email address at the bottom of the comments of most videos. Thanks again. Mail call. So this one is from Dragon Hobby, and this is from Mega Hobby. I'm not sure which is which, but we'll find out, or what's what. Okay, so this is the wings for when you fold the wings on a S2F tracker, 1:72, or so that is going to go with this, which is my going to be the COD for the Enterprise build. So that's going to enable me to fold the wings. which is the first time I'm ever doing that. So that should be cool. I think this might be decals. Can't remember. Yeah. Oh, and then also, so these are quick boost engines, detailed engines, 1 to 72 for the same project. While I was out there shopping for that, the same vendor on eBay, I saw these, and the old number 66. And I think I'm going to build that with, so a while back I got this kit at the Butch O'Hare contest and show. And I've always wanted to make the Hornet 66 that picked up the astronauts. So I'm going to put this with this, and when I get to that kit, that'll be the decals I use for that. So speaking of accuracy or historical accuracy, when talking about Rick's channel, so I think I've told you that I plan on making the C-1A Trader, the Grumman C-1A Trader, which was the carrier on deck COD for the Enterprise in 1968, and this is the GRS video footage of that plane. So I want to show you what I've gathered. This will be, if not the next build after the A3 Sky Warriors, it'll be the build after the helicopter. Those are the only things that I have left. So this footage just is so cool, and it inspired me to attempt to fold the wings, and I've never done that before. So anyway, this is just a quick recap in this mail call of those kits. So yeah, just to follow up then, so the C-1A Trader will be a combination of this Hasegawa kit, US2 tracker, which is basically S2F1 tracker, and let's see if you can see those engines. Yeah, so hopefully you'll be able to see this. I think these engines are going to be much nicer than those. A little more accurate and detailed. So that's going to go with that. And then, like I said, this will be for the wings, to fold the wings. And then this conversion kit is to change the ends of the, right here, those are the tail of the nacelles, the engine nacelles need to be changed. And then this is actually a completely different fuselage for the Trader versus the Tracker. So all of that is going to happen when I build that. So stay tuned for that C-1A Trader build. That'll be coming up soon. And my next video will be the KA3 Sky Warriors complete. Almost done with paint, and then I'll start decals. So hopefully next week. So once again, thanks for watching and happy modeling.